For part 2 of the practice assessment, set up your three equations, taking the first of each to be your first variable, representing the soy milk. Then set up the next equation, which will be your strawberries. And your last equation will be the nuts value. Now, when you try that on your graphics calculator, it's going to give you a math error. So what does that mean? It means we'll have to try and solve it, use the Gaussian elimination. So you put your fixed box in first and write the first equation in, and then work out the second equation from equations 1 and 2. When subtracting these, you get negative c minus d equals negative 3100. Then combine equations 1 and 3 and you get a similar equation. Subtracting them gives you negative 2c minus 2d equals negative 6200. That's equation C. When you combine B and C, you'll need to double B. It will look like the following. When subtracting the left-hand side from the right-hand side, you get 0 equals 0. It's a true statement. That means there are many solutions. So what does that mean in terms of the equations? It means that the first two planes meet along a straight line, like this one here, like the pages of a book. There's the line, but negative b minus equals negative 3100. The other two planes meet in a line that is exactly the same, because if we halve it, we get exactly the same as the first one. So the third plane also meets along that line, like the third page in a book. So there are many solutions. So for the manufacturer, what does it mean? We've got this equation, negative b minus equals that. That's the same as b plus equals 3100. Because there are many solutions, b could equal, for example, 1550, and c could equal 1550. That's just an example. We could have had b equaling 600 and c equaling 2500. Taking any one of these pairs, we then put it into one of the equations. Let's take the first equation, and putting in the values of 1550, we get the following. This gives the result that b would have to equal negative 8650, which we cannot have a negative answer to these questions. The manufacturer cannot make a negative amount of smoothies, so therefore there is no solution for the manufacturer.